how to connect AutoDS to TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I would like to discuss how you will be able to connect your TikTok Shop with AutoDS. But as you can see here right now in AutoDS, when you're choosing a plan, there's no option over here to choose a TikTok Shop. So what you're going to do is that you're going to be using a middleman, which is Shopify. So in AutoDS, you're going to set up Shopify and establish a connection with your Shopify store. But in your Shopify store, you will be connecting TikTok Shop into it. So over here in Shopify store, go to apps and look for an app that would allow you to sync your TikTok Shop and your Shopify together. So over here, simply search TikTok. Don't confuse yourself with this TikTok over here because that is just for videos and showcasing different products. There's a different app for syncing your TikTok Shop with Shopify, which is Quick Sync over here. So use Quick Sync for TikTok Shop, which will automatically detect your TikTok Shop. So once your TikTok Shop is connected, you can simply easily add products either from AutoDS into Shopify, and Shopify or the app for TikTok Shop will detect that additional products because it will always be added to the products and then import it into their TikTok Shop or your TikTok Shop. Or you can do vice versa where you export from TikTok Shop and then into AutoDS. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.